How to set up your Bumble profile. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to set up your Bumble profile, while you create your account, you will have set up most of the profile details. And after you are logged in order to set up your Bumble profile even more, over here in the bottom left, you can see the profile icon. Tap on this. Select this complete profile button. Here it says your profile is 27% complete, so you can complete your profile more, so you can set up more details for your profile over here. You can add more photos. You can simply tap on this plus icon and choose the photo from your device. You can choose your interest, select the interest that aligns with you. You can add your causes and communities. There are many other options. You can go through it and set it up according to your interest. You can add the qualities, you can add the prompts, you can set up your opening moves, you can write a bio about yourself, you can add about your work, your education, your gender, your location, you can add your hometown, you can add other personality details over here. After you fill out all these details, your profile will be more strong. You can still verify your profile. In order to do that, you have to take a photo of yourself. You can complete this process and you'll be able to set up your Bumble profile easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.